Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to obtain this kind of surface that is created by the influence of triangle panel pattern, and this is the final results. You can naturally play with the number of subdivision and number of triangle in U and V direction. The very important thing is that the final results is a surface. It's not a composition of surface, but it's only one surface. So if we bake it into Rhino, what we obtain is only one surface, and this is very important. And so let's see how I obtain this surface here. We start with a shaded view, and as usual we are going to create a boundary surface. So we create a curve, then we import a Rhino with Z1 curve, then we create a boundary surface, then we are going to divide and create a grid of points into the surface. We are going to create an offset of the surface. In this offset surface we create the triangular panel composition, and then we take the boundary of each panel and we join them together in order to have a close polyline. Then we are going to pull point, so we are going to pull the point of the first grid in the direction of the curves we just created, and what we obtain is a point, final point here, and a distance. Then we use vector to points to evaluate a vector that start from each one of this point and goes to each one of the pulled point. So from the starting point to the pulled point, and then we are going to evaluate the versor, starting from the composition of vector, and for the amplitude we are going to use this part of definition. So we take the distance, we do 100 divide by the result of the output D of pull, then we're going to multiply the result for 100, and this will be our amplitude. And so we are going to join the vector direction and the amplitude with this amplitude vector, and then we are going to move all the points of the starting point list of this vector here. The result is a composition of points. Then we are going to apply this flexibility component, and we are going to give to U and V the same values we have used for U and V division. So we give 93, and this is the final results. Then I apply a simple custom preview and apply a metal material. It is very important to apply this preview because it's very easy to see the pattern with this kind of material applied. Without could be difficult. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and see you on the next tutorial.